ElevenLabs complete tutorial. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll take a look at ElevenLabs.io. We'll try to generate some speech here, and also I'll show you all the features. So here we are on ElevenLabs.io, and it's like generative voice AI platform. So basically we can interact with our text to make it as a speech. And basically they provide us the opportunity to interact with a lot of different languages: English, Chinese, Spanish, Hindi, and like, as I know, like 28 languages here. We can use it for our videos, audiobooks, gaming stuff, AI, chatbots. So if you want to find more detailed information, I recommend you to visit their main page. Here we can also find like that we can create AI voice generator in 29 languages. Yeah, 29, not 28. We can even clone our own voice. So as you can see in the top of the screen, we have this option to sign in. You can create an account with your Gmail or with a separate mail account. So basically it doesn't matter. So as you can see here, we have a couple of products like text-to-speech, speech-to-speech, projects, dubbing, voice cloning, and voice library. So it's pretty cool. Let's discover their prices. And as you can see, we have like free plan, starter, creator, pro, and scale. And the main difference is in the number of amount of basically characters we can manage to turn to speech. So here we have like 10,000, 30,000, 100,000, 500,000, and 2 million of characters. As you can see, like 10 minutes audio, 2 hours, 10 hours, and 40 hours in audio. So depending on your choice, you can choose the necessary one. But firstly, of course, I recommend you to try to use it without paying. And let's open our account page. So after creating an account, we'll come to this page where we can just simply choose something, so which best describes who you are. Let it be creator. Which type of creator are you, like YouTube videos. And the navigation here is quite simple. All we need to do is to add the text in order to make them like to manage something. So let's add this text. And in the left side, we also have a couple of options where we can find speech, sound effects, voices, projects, dubbing, and audio native. So on the voices, for example, we can discover all the things related with voices we want to clone, for example, and also we can switch to voice library to find all the voices that we have. We can try to listen for them.
Voici la voix la plus professionnelle qui vous permettra de conquérir.
So yeah, we can manage the filters here in the top. So advertisement, like style or something like this. Manage language here. Change the age, gender, and category. So if you want to find the most suitable, firstly visit this voice library, or you can clone your own voice. So let's open our speech area where we have this text. We can choose the language, choose the voice. So let it be the Alice, for example. We can go to settings here, manage the model, English. Yeah, let's use 11 multilingual v2. Stability, let it be like more variable. Similarity, okay, and we can click now on generate speech. So it may take a little time, depends on their server's capacity and so on.
It is one of the
and as you can
greatest
see now, it works really good.
However,
and
nowadays humans fail to recognize it as one.
You just simply need to
Nature
wait for a little, and now everything is ready. We can try to listen for it.
This remarkable creation inspired them to write poems
and as you can see,
stories in the glory
it sounds
of
pretty cool. Basically really realistic. And now what can we do? We can just simply download this thing. So we can click on this icon with this arrow in the right bottom. So now it was automatically like downloaded to our Mac, in my case. Or basically we can try to change something. We can change the actor here, manage some other settings. But here we can find the quote remaining, and now like now I have like 9,000 characters to like turn them to speech, because now I'm in the free trial. So basically, yeah, on the projects area we can find all the existing projects. You can find all the things here, all the information. So it was imported not that long time ago. And for the ElevenLabs, that's basically everything you need to know about the interface. But also I wanted to show you the way of how to clone your own voice. So if you go to this page, we can click on add generative or clone voice. We have this type of voice to create. Voice design entirely new voices by adjusting their parameters. Every voice you create is randomly generated and is entirely unique, even if the same settings are applied. Also, we have the instant voice cloning. But we need to subscribe, clone a voice from a clear sample recording. Samples should contain one speaker and be over 1 minute long and not contain background noise. So if you want to clone your own voice, this is the best feature, but you need to use the Starter Plus plan. So let's try to discover the prices here, somewhere here. Let's open pricing, and Starter Plus is about like $5 per month, which is like not that high price for using these features. So basically we can also manage some sound effects. So describe the sound effect and then click on generate. Let's try to generate the rain. So generate sound effect. It may take a little time. Let's try to listen. So as you can see, we have 4 effects here, and it was really good, generated with an AI. We can also find the history here, and as you can see, it's really easy to understand, really easy to interact with. And in this case, I think that ElevenLabs is one of the best AI platforms to generate like voiceovers for your videos, TikToks, Instagram Reels, maybe some other content for presentations and so on. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comments below. Please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and I wish you a very, very good day. Goodbye, guys.